So Aptos became Microsoft's default font almost 2 years ago. While some people, me included, like it better than their previous default Calibri, it does cause problems sometimes when you try to use it in applications that are not Microsoft. Most notably, you might find that you have a nicely formatted Word document where you've got all your fonts in Aptos and you're very happy, and then you go to try to save it as a PDF, and what happens? Your fonts disappear. This happens because Microsoft serves Aptos from the cloud only to Microsoft applications, I believe. So this often means that Adobe applications like Acrobat and even Microsoft's virtual printer driver, which is the thing you see that says print to PDF, they can't always locate Aptos. Now, some people say this problem can be solved by going into your printer settings and unchecking rely on system fonts only, but this isn't really a reliable method because the printer settings are controlled in different ways and not all of them have that box. And I tried it and it didn't even work for me. So what you have to do instead is you have to download Microsoft's official font package and you have to install it just like you would install anything else. So you go to Microsoft's website and you find the official Aptos font package. I will share the URL down below, and you just, okay, it looks like I've already downloaded it because I was practicing, so I'm going to do it again. Okay, so you select your language and you download it, and then it's going to populate into your downloads folder. I can navigate to that from that little icon, and what you want to do when you get to your downloads folder, and sometimes it takes a while, I don't know why, but now all I have to do is right-click on this downloaded folder, and I'm going to select Extract All. I've already done that before, so I'm just going to open the folder that I extracted, and now you can select all of these things, and then you right-click on it, and it's selected a lot of them. But when you right-click, then you can just click Install. And actually, I should have also selected these down below. Once you select Install, it's asking me if I want to replace it. So I'm not going to go through with installing it. But once you select Install, it installs everything, and then it should be accessible to all your applications. Okay, let me know how it works.